Good morning. Today on Customer States What? We are installing a drive belt in the 2012 Toyota Corolla. Let's get into it. So now that we got the engine cover off, we could clearly see we got some FIFO action happening here. So now with the belt, there is no idler tensioner. This here is your adjuster. So what you have to do is you have to crack the bolt free down here on the alternator. That's going to be the pivot bolt. When you do that, you'll be able to do this adjuster right here. You'll be able to move it. So let's see if these will break free and not break. Now let's get up in there and crack the pivot bolt. I'm on all this light and I can't see it. There we go. Oh, that was kind of loose. We didn't want it to be that loose. Alright, just crack that one free, and now we'll play with this adjuster right here. Yeah. Now the alternator should... Oh, I might have to use a pry bar. Yeah. So now that we cracked that bolt free there, we loosen this guy up here. There is another 12 here that it slides along. You want to crack that guy free. And then as you can see, once you crack that free, you can maneuver the alternator as much as you need to remove the drive belt. See? Now always take note of the orientation of the drive belt. If not, you got a RTFM. Read the manual. Alright, all the belts are in the grooves of their respected pulleys, and the belt is routed correctly. You go back to the witness mark there on the adjuster, and then you check your belt deflection. You usually want about a ½ inch of belt deflection, and what that is you're pushing on the belt, you're twisting it, seeing how much it twists, how much it bends. So that's good. I'll give it a little more gugats, but that's about it. Alright, very good. Now we tighten this bolt here, we tighten our pivot bolt, put the engine cover back on, and then we're done. So very good, guys. That's how you replace a drive belt in a 2012 Toyota Corolla. If you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.